Let's talk about rehydrating your sourdough starter. First, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of dehydrated starter with 2 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a while. In a couple hours, you can go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of flour and then stir. Now you're going to put the lid on, but you don't want to tighten it all the way because it will explode. Day 2, you're going to feed your starter again, this time adding 2 tablespoons of flour along with 2 tablespoons of water and then stirring again. And once again, you're going to put the lid on loosely. This is the point where I noticed that my jar was too full, so I was going to have to go ahead and transfer it to another jar, but no big deal. Just keep it in mind that you may want to start with a bigger jar. Day 3, you're going to feed your starter again. You should start seeing bubbles by this time. And once again, you're going to feed it with 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Personally, I use organic bread flour to do this. Once again, the lid goes on loosely. The next day, your starter should start looking like this, and you're going to continue to feed it once a day until it's doubling like you see here. Now you're ready to bake bread.